What's up, you guys? Today I've got a fun one for you guys. We're gonna be reviewing the Nissan 370Z, and it's our first giveaway car, so I'm excited to announce all the little details and everything you guys need to know about it. So this is the 370Z full breakdown. Now stick around to the end of this video so we can show you guys how you can actually win this Z. In 2010, Nissan celebrated 40 years of Z heritage. From the legendary 240Z that defined affordable performance to the modern 370Z that carried the torch. So today, we're gonna be looking at the 40th anniversary edition, a great testament to Nissan heritage, a rare limited run tribute to one of Japan's most iconic sports cars. At first glance, it's unmistakably a Z. The long hood, short deck, and muscular stance all scream classic sports car proportions. But the 40th anniversary edition adds a touch of exclusivity. You get 40th quartz graphite paint, a color unique to this edition. However, because we have customized this vehicle and added a few things, you are getting a custom satin black paint job, not unique to Nissan, but unique to RP Films and Giveaway 001. Now, we have decided to add a full body kit to make this car very, very unique. We've done a front bumper, fender, hood, and even a rear spoiler to make this car look aggressive, so cops look at you and girls' parents dislike you as soon as you pull into their driveway. From factory, this came with a smoked 19-inch raised forged wheels, and we swapped those out for some Kansai Astro wheels with some nice white contrast to make sure this wheels pop. With the 40th edition, it comes with these red Akibono brakes that completes the overall wheel setup. Coming around back, we also changed out the tail lights. Now, we installed these Morimoto smoked out lights. This really helped complete the look of the fully murdered out Nissan 370Z, giving it that nice Batmobile type of feel. Now, when you step inside, we can go over all the details that make this car unique. The cabin still feels raw. Hydraulic steering, a stubby shifter, and those iconic 3 circular gauges on the dash. This is a driver's car through and through. No gimmicks, no distractions, minimal technology, focused on the driver experience. Now, we've also swapped out the seats for Brom racing seats. Now, these are a little bit more comfortable than the average bucket seat. And with these, they're reclining and they're adjustable, so you can move forward or move back. So if you're a tall fella or you're a short guy, this will work perfect for any height. Now, to really make this a driver's car, we've added a Brom harness bar and Brom harnesses. Now, this is to make sure, one, you're safe when you're out on the track, but this gives you the opportunity to go out to a track and actually drift it or just take it racing, whatever you decide to do with it. This is what we believe will make this car a very special car for whoever wins it. Under the hood is this kitty named Nismo, and also a 3.7 VQ 37 VHR V6, pumping out 332 horsepower and 270 feet of torque. Now, before this kitty gets burned, let's get him off the engine. It's paired with a 6-speed manual transmission featuring Synchro Rev Match that you can find right here, a system that automatically blips the throttle on downshifts, making it extremely driver-friendly for people not comfortable driving stick shift. 0 to 60 in about 4.7 seconds. But the numbers don't tell the entire story. It's the immediacy of the throttle, the weight of the steering, and the way the rear end communicates, especially when you're taking those deep turns. This is the analog excitement era, before the entire world went digital. There's no turbo whoosh, no electronic trickery, just a naturally aspirated V6 pushing 7,000.
What do I tell you?
That's just quick. All right, back to what I was saying. This is a naturally aspirating V6 screaming past 7,000 RPMs and a chassis that feels like it's always talking to you. Sure, it's not the most refined ride, but the suspension can be adjusted thanks to the Godspeed Mono SS coilovers that we installed. Just keep in mind, this is a 15-year-old car and the cabin gets noisy, and the visibility, let's just say, it has character. But that's part of this car's charm. It wants to be driven hard. Now, let's rewind to 2010. Nissan decided that only 1,000 units of the 40th anniversary edition were going to be made. Now, lucky for us, and unlucky enough for one pissed off 18-year-old that tried to get the car before us, we have one of those 1,000. And that makes it, in my eyes and many eyes, somewhat of a collector's item for the right person today. It's not the fastest car, nor the most high tech, but it represents something we rarely see in the automotive world anymore. A pure, unfiltered, rear-wheel drive sports car built for drivers. The 370Z 40th Anniversary Edition isn't just a special trim, it's a reminder of what the Z lineage stood for. Now that you know everything that you need to know about the 370Z, let me tell you how you can take it home. Now, to support the channel, we have decided to actually come out with our own giveaways. This is a creative way for us to only, give you guys amazing content and build out cars that we like to build and make the dream come true for one of you. Now, this car can be won by anyone that buys one of our 2,000 entries left on our website. You head over to rpwindowfilms.com and you're gonna find stuff like this. We've got custom 370Z merch. This is really cool graphics. We have custom leather products. We have all kinds of items that you could need. If you're a window tint installer, we have window film. Really anything on our website will get you entries to win this beautiful 370Z. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to click like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Stay tuned with the channel. If you want to be the first to know, add the notification bell about any future cars that we give away. And if you guys are interested in seeing what else happens here at RP Films, continue to watch all the videos. I'll see you guys in the next one.